Hello. Uh, you might remember me from my previous course of Python scripts, and the screen perhaps would make you a bit confused. What is this? What you are seeing here? It's not the coding interface or something alike. This is the result of what we will have at the end of our course, our own trading bot. I named my trading bot Marcus. Feel free to name whatever you will have. Uh, this will be a comprehensive series documenting our journey from manual trading to fully automated execution. In this series, we'll go over real-world trading bot development. We like theories, but we don't want to get stuck at them. Key code implementation and architectural decisions, live trading results and lessons learned, complete source code available in the course, and at the end, if you would like, you can join our Telegram channel when I will be daily posting the files that I'm feeding to my guide Marcus on what to do. Why this is started? I spent every day hours analyzing market data, identifying promising stocks based on technical or fundamental indicators, developing trading strategy, but then the reality hits. You can't monitor all markets 8 hours a day, and 8 hours a day is basically the time when the trading is done at NYSE. Emotions are sometimes clouding your judgment when money is in the line and you want to get rid all of the problems but get things done. If this sounds familiar to you, this course is for you. I went through all of this and developed stock analysis system. For me it was sophisticated, but what do I know, right? But every time I got stuck at one or another thing. That's when I decided, if I can't beat the machine, let me build one to beat them. The good thing with this product is that they are not getting tired, scared, greedy, or emotional. We're building this based on the strict criteria and exact decision-making patterns, so they will be successful in a way that we design that we will consider it successful. What is included in system analysis for stocks? Couple of important metrics that I will share with you later on. Next comes the automation execution. We are going to connect to Charles Schwab API for real-time data. We will apply filters and position sizing rules. Our code will place market orders automatically during trading hours. It will monitor the positions, consider when it's time to take profit and leave, and it will keep transaction log and performance metrics. We will build system that will run completely independently, just one thing a day when it will need your assistance. That's the login, because Charles Schwab API goes with OAuth authentication, and that makes our bot needing to have at least authentication session manually per day. It will work during trading hours. That's my configuration. I built it in a way that it will work at a given time window during the day. It's like 7 a.m. Pacific to 1 p.m. Pacific, more or less like that. It will do automated profit taking. We will consider criteria when it's good to sell the stock, and Marcus will sell the stock. And reinvestment cycle. So, long story short, the phases will be analysis phase to identify number of potential candidates and how they are ranked within our system. Selection phase, when there are criteria that our bot does and how it selects the stock to invest in. Execution phase, it will place a market order of total $100. This is again my decision. You can do whatever you want with your configuration. For me, as it is educational, I put some amount in Schwab account for specifically this bot testing cycle. My other investments are in Robinhood. As you can see, it is here open. Next is monitoring phase. It will monitor market during the whole session, 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. and see whenever our stock meets the criteria for sell, and if that criteria meets the one that we defined to be successful. Basically, I executed 15 complete buy-sell cycles with Marcus. It has 10-minute running window, like it should run every 10 minutes. It should take automatic profit taking at predetermined conditions. No absolutely manual intervention during market hours after you logged in and provided Marcus authentication link, and complete transaction logging and performance tracking. So this will be what we are going to build during upcoming course. Stay tuned and wait for more news coming from me or Marcus. Thank you. Bye bye.